2009, habang sila'y naninirahan sa Amerika nang madiagnose si April Boy Regino na may prostate cancer.
Sinabi ng doktor na lalaki, yung unang lalaki, sabi niya, prostate cancer yan. Tapos syempre natakot na ako, cancer eh. Sabi ko, paano kaya yun?
Nayanig ang pamilya ni April Boy sa dumapong karamdaman sa singer.
Mami ko, kapatid ko, umiyak kami dahil nga si dading hindi naman namin expected na magkakaroon ng prostate cancer. So, pagkatapos po, lagi po, nalulungkot, tapos dasal ng dasal para lang kung ano man ng sana bigyan ng miracle ni God na gumaling si Dad.
Parang na ako nun, hindi na ako makakain. Talagang iniisip ko, parang torture sa'yo eh, di ba? Siguro sabi ko, hanggang ilang taon na lang, hanggang 50, hanggang doon lang buhay ko, mamamatay na ako.
Alam ni April Boy ang pangarap ni JC na maging singer, kaya kahit may sakit, nagdesisyon siyang umuwi sa Pilipinas noong nakaraang taon. Gumawa ng album sina April at JC na walang nakakaalam ng karamdaman ni April Boy.
Sa pangarap niya maging singer, di ba? Sabi ko, sige, bago mamatay, palagay ko, uwi muna tayo sa Pilipinas. Tapos, para matupad yung pangarap mo maging singer ka.
Sa ngayon, naniniwala si April na controlled na ang kanyang prostate cancer. Pinagaling daw siya ng isang herbal drink na gawa sa barley. Hindi pa sumasailalim ang singer sa anumang test para makumpirma ang kanyang pagaling.
Gumaling na ako. Sa dati, alam mo, pagka may prostate cancer ka, wala na, parang ka na, impotence ka na. Ngayon, okay na naman.
Bumabawi raw ngayon si April sa pagkain at hindi tumitigil sa pag-inom ng kanyang food supplement bilang patuloy na paglaban niya sa cancer.
I was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer in 2001. I went through the whole caboodle, the whole 9 yards. I did the chemotherapy and the radiation therapy. I had a port put in. I was told that my chances of survival would be 5 years if I was lucky. I'm currently on my 9th year survival. I discovered barley through the internet while I was undergoing chemotherapy. After my first chemo dose, I was so sick I ended up in the ICU in the hospital because the dose that they gave me was equivalent for a 300-pound American man. But since my body's so small, I couldn't take the medication. It wiped out all my white blood cells, and so I was literally a walking time bomb. I was supposed to not make it through, but because of the barley that I discovered from the net, one of the benefits of barley is that it increases your white blood cells naturally, so your immunity just naturally gets boosted up. Because of that, I decided to try it and take it. During my first chemo, it took me 21 days to recover from the chemotherapy, and I was in the ICU for a while. But during the second chemo, after 4 days, I was completely okay. So I became really impressed with the benefits of barley in my body. I decided to take it every day, as I have every day for the rest of my life. I'm going to be taking barley. I don't take any other medication. I don't take vitamins. I don't have any maintenance drugs that I take for my cancer. My doctors told me that I would never have children again because my ovaries would shut down as a side effect from the chemotherapy. And it did. It stopped. I stopped getting my menstruation for 3 years, but after 3 years of continuing to take barley every day, the effect of the chemotherapy was completely reversed. It was completely, I was able to recover fully. And now I have a 4-year-old son, so who I call my miracle, of course. And yes, barley for me has not only saved my life, but has given me new life. And I think that everybody should take barley every day.